Well, top government sources have told NDTV on the judiciary row that the respect for the judiciary by the government is paramount and all pillars of democracy work in tandem for a Viksit Bharat. Also, sources tell NDTV that the government believes that the judiciary and the legislature are two sides of the same coin. My colleague Aishwarya Jain will also be joining us on the broadcast. He's getting us more on that. He's spoken to the Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal, who's spoken on this entire controversy. And now, this is through government sources we are learning, Aishwarya. Government does believe that respect for judiciary is paramount, and this seems like a balancing act amid the face-off between the judiciary and the executive.
Well, certainly, amid the massive war of words that had erupted over the entire judicial row, with leaders from the Congress questioning the Bharatiya Janata Party MPs who have stated earlier that it is a civil war that can erupt because of the kind of judgments that the judicial system is giving, the judiciary is giving. And amid of that, now the top government sources are telling us that it is the respect for the judiciary which is paramount. Judiciary and legislature are working in tandem with each other to make a developed nation, and it is the petitions that have been filed against the Waqf Amendment bill in the Supreme Court. The Union of India will present its case in a very tight manner. In fact, the top government sources have also indicated to us that what's their viewpoint is. They clearly had stated that the petitions that have been filed by different organizations in the Supreme Court, everyone has right to knock the doors of the Supreme Court, and this is how the balancing act between the government and the judiciary is transformed into, and also the Union of India will present its side in the Supreme Court. So amid of the remarks that had been made by Rajya Sabha Chairperson and Vice President of India today at the Delhi University event, that it is Parliament which is supreme, and it is a due process that the parliamentarians follow. They are the elected members, and it is people's voice that is being heard. And it is a very peaceful way that the Waqf Amendment Bill was passed, despite having several objections by certain section of society in the Joint Parliamentary Committee. Now, when they are coming out in open, and there are several organizations that are taken into onto ground against the Waqf Amendment Bill. Right. The government is in a view that everyone has right to protest, right. Everyone has right to knock the doors of the judiciary, but there is no one who should disrespect the judiciary. Each and everyone, judiciary, right, or be it the legislative, they are both together working in tandem to make India a Viksit Bharat.
In this regard, we understand that the BJP MPs also who had made critical remarks on judiciary were also told by the BJP that they shouldn't be making such remarks, and the BJP of course had distanced itself from those comments made by those BJP MPs there, and the centre of course making it clear that it will also address all pending petitions relating to the Waqf Act in the Supreme Court through due legal process, as the centre will be presenting its side, and they have the utmost respect for judiciary. All right. Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for getting us all those details there. We'll come back to you later as more comes.